should go up that ramp into the castle.
But this is data. So I have to make a secret pathway.
Okay, make a
secret pathway.
Look at Annie, she's being so gentle. She's curious, but she's being so gentle. Look at that. She's like, oh my goodness, he's old.
You're talking to your cousin, Annie.
So wait a minute. These circle things on the top.
Are you talking to James?
We can put
James, is Annie talking to you?
we can put circles on the top. It could be like batteries. Dad, we could have a picnic. And
We could. Oh, is that our picnic thing here?
a secret on top